Creating a harmonious relationship between Labradors and children, best practices. Labrador Retriever and children, best practices. Labrador Retrievers are known for their friendly and gentle nature, making them an excellent choice for families with children. These dogs are not only attractive but also have a reputation for being loyal and loving companions. However, it is important to understand that bringing a Labrador Retriever into a household with children requires careful consideration and implementation of best practices. In this article, we will explore some guidelines for ensuring a harmonious and safe relationship between Labradors and children. First and foremost, it is vital to teach children proper behavior and interaction techniques when it comes to dogs. Young children may not understand how to approach or handle a dog correctly, and it is the responsibility of the parents or guardians to educate them. Teach children to approach the Labrador calmly, avoiding sudden movements or loud noises that may startle the dog. Encourage them to gently pet or stroke the dog, avoiding any rough play that might lead to accidental injury. Supervision is crucial when Labradors and children are together. Children should never be left alone with a dog, regardless of how well-behaved the dog may be. Accidents can happen, and even the most docile Labrador can react impulsively if they feel threatened or scared. Always ensure that an adult is present to oversee interactions and intervene if necessary. Introducing a Labrador Retriever to a household with children should be done gradually and with caution. It is important to give both the dog and the children time to adjust to each other's presence. Initially, keep the dog and children separated by a gate or crate so that they can see and smell each other without direct physical contact. This allows the dog to become familiar with the sounds and scents associated with children, reducing anxiety or fear. Once the Labrador and children have become more comfortable, controlled interactions can take place. Start by having the children offer treats or toys to the dog, reinforcing positive associations. This helps the Labrador associate children with positive experiences and rewards, building trust and friendship. However, never force the dog to interact if they are not ready or seem uncomfortable. Respect the Labrador's boundaries and encourage the children to do the same. Proper training is essential for Labradors living with children. Basic obedience training will not only make the dog more manageable but also ensure that they understand and respond to commands, making interactions with children safer. Teach the Labrador basic commands such as sit, stay, and come. This will allow you to control the dog's behavior in different situations, preventing any potential harm to the children. Exercise and mental stimulation are vital for Labradors to keep them happy and content. Engage the children in activities that involve the dog, such as supervised playtime or daily walks. This not only helps to burn off excess energy but also strengthens the bond between the Labrador and the children. It is important to note that Labradors are active dogs and require regular exercise to prevent boredom and behavioral issues. Healthcare is another crucial aspect of responsible pet ownership. Ensure that your Labrador Retriever is up to date with vaccinations, regular checkups, and flea and tick prevention. Teach children the importance of maintaining good hygiene, such as washing their hands after playing with the dog. Regular grooming and dental care are also essential to keep the Labrador healthy and comfortable. Finally, create a safe environment for both the Labrador and the children. Ensure that the dog has a designated space where they can retreat and relax when they need some alone time. Teach children to respect this space and understand when the dog needs to be left alone. Make sure that the house is free from any hazards or toxic substances that may endanger the Labrador or children. In conclusion, Labrador Retrievers can make fantastic companions for children when the appropriate guidelines and best practices are followed. Educating children about respectful interactions with dogs, providing supervision, gradual introductions, proper training, exercise, healthcare, and establishing a safe environment are all essential elements for a harmonious relationship between Labradors and children. By implementing these best practices, you can ensure that your Labrador Retriever and children coexist happily and safely, creating unforgettable memories together.